Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mary. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I am super excited because I finally get to go to Ikea. Guys, the closest Ikea to us is a good like 45 minutes away from me at least, and that's without traffic. So I am just so excited to finally be here and just be able to look around and see what they have. I have a few things in mind that I want to get that I need, but let's go see what they have. Right as we were walking in, I saw this really cool setup in front of us. I would really love that for like organization and things. As you can see, they have different things placed in it. It could really help keep you organized, like in a playroom or even in a study if you don't have built-ins in your study already. And I also really like this sofa back here. I would totally use it in my playroom. It looks comfortable, it looks easy to maintain. We spent a good amount of time in the home section because I actually had a few things in mind I was hoping to find. I thought this pan was pretty cool for $3.99. It's non-stick from what I could see, and it was a decent size, and I really liked the handle. It was a comfortable grip. This particular one had an orange sticker, so I'm not sure if it was a return, but I'm hoping to find something a little bit larger than that. As you can see, they had an assortment of different pans, different pots, different sizes, different shapes. Some of them came with handles, some of them come without handles, and you have to purchase the handles separately. So that is something I would say pay attention to based on your budget to make sure you're meeting your needs. I thought these boards were really awesome. You could use them as chopping boards. You could use them as charcuterie boards. A lot of people like to decorate with chopping boards behind their stove. And if you really like that look, I think these chopping boards could be great to achieve that. I really like the section over here. These are just little popsicle makers. I think I'm going to grab a few of these. I'm not sure yet. But really cool if you like to make the treats for your kids at home by yourself versus just buying something store-bought. I thought this section was really cool. It had ice makers, like ice trays of different shapes and different sizes. And that's just really neat for the springtime and all the summer fun coming up. This salad spinner was $4.99, and I just think that's really reasonably priced. I always have a hard time trying to get my salad all mixed up together. So if you're anything like me, you might consider the salad spinner. I'm all about a good spatula when I can find one. I thought this one was really unique. It's really wide. I think it would be good for like flipping omelets or large things in your pan. But I also really like that they had a variety of different options and different shapes and sizes. They range from about $1 up to around $7. These white wine glasses are absolutely beautiful. I love the shape of the pour. I love the stem. It's just really beautiful. I will tell you to be aware when you're picking these up. They are $3.99, but that is $3.99 per glass. They do not come in a set. For my chopping board enthusiasts, again, styling your stove, your kitchen countertop, or simply looking to make a nice charcuterie board, they had so many different options for you here, guys. Different sizes, some small, medium, large, even extremely large ones that I would have no idea what to do with. But they were all pretty reasonably priced, and some of them were actually really, really unique, like this one coming up here. This one is notched so that it sits against your countertop and it's not like sliding away from you and moving around, which I thought was pretty cool. I've never seen something like that before. Now, with all of the different chopping boards, I do urge you to read the directions that the manufacturer has attached, because not all of them are intended for cutting items. Some of them are simply intended for decorative pieces or for setting out things like charcuterie. Some of them are actually not even safe for food. So when you're purchasing a chopping board for whatever purpose you have in mind for it, be sure to read the directions. Some chopping board actually require you to oil it down a few times before you use it so that it doesn't begin to change color and incur any significant scratches. So be sure to do that. I think this is a mixing bowl. I really like the handle of it, and I like what looks like the spout up front. Actually, both ends sort of look like a spout to me at some point, but I think one arm is a handle and the other part is a spout. They had a lot of baking items, the sieves, and all sort of things you could use for your baking. This wine rack is so modern and so pretty. So it is stackable, and you can create as many columns as you want as well. So if you're looking to create a really unique wine area in your home, each piece is $11.99, and you can stack them up as high as you want or create as many columns as you want to achieve the look you're going for. I really like those baskets, the mesh baskets. You could put your fruits in there, you could put your vegetables in there. Really neat for pantry organization. But $14.99 for one, I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. I felt that was a little bit pricey because I would need a ton of those baskets. This could be a really cute vessel for your fruits as well, or even just to decorate. I love all the different dish options and the different prices. They're very reasonably priced and they were really lightweight. I also ran into these really cool like flask slash lemonade mug looking things. They were sort of like this spring green in color, but I thought they would be really neat for a warm day to pour out some drinks in the backyard. Now we're getting into the rugs. They had a lot of different rug options. So depending on what your rug needs are for your home, I would say you would at least find something here. They were pretty reasonably priced, but I would say, compare it to your local Home Goods or Target or World Market. It doesn't hurt to compare to make sure you're getting the best deal, especially when you begin to go into the larger rug sizes. So something came up while we were shopping for rugs. Do you guys ever buy the warranty for your area rugs? Because I feel like even if I bought it, I would just forget that it even existed because I buy so many other warranties. If you are enjoying shopping with us today or enjoying any of our other content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We are a husband and wife team and we do pretty much everything together. And we are navigating all of this with our two toddlers, and we are so excited to have you join us. All right, Joy Fam, here are the items from my Ikea shopping today. I got this bowl. It's I'm gonna use it as a mixing bowl. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but my kids love to bake, and so I think it's really cool to just be able to mix in there and then hold. If you see, the mount looks like a spout, and just pour it into like the cupcake pans and things, because I think that'll just be cleaner than how we're currently doing it, using like another measuring cup to scoop it out of there and then pour it. I think it'll be more seamless with this. So that's this. And it was very inexpensive. I want to say this was $8 or $9. But it looks really cool, and I like the neutral tone of it. We got this pan. Dayo really wanted this pan. It feels really good and it looks really good. It's huge. And I think the goal of it is just when the kids want like grilled cheese sandwiches or quesadillas or something, just to be able to make multiple at the same time. I could probably do like comfortably 4 sandwiches at the same time on this thing. Here it is. I felt it was a little on the expensive side. I don't know. It was $25, I believe. So there's that. We got these little popsicle makers, I guess. I want to say they were about $2. So I got a set in pink and a set in blue. I think it'll just be a fun little activity with the kids to be able to make popsicles in different flavors and things. They love popsicles. I got the spatula. It was $4.99. I thought it was really neat because I think it'll be great for like when I make omelets and things. Sometimes I have a really hard time trying to flip them, and I think this is just the shape of it would just be really great. So I'm looking forward to trying it and seeing how it works out. But soft, comfortable handle and really wide. All right, and I got the salad spinner. I want to say it was just like $5, and I just have a difficult time trying to like mix all the toppings and everything I have in my salad. So I'm really looking forward to using this, just being able to put everything into it and then have it do its thing on its own. But very inexpensive and a really decent size. Like you could do a salad for an entire family dinner with this particular one. I also got, you might have seen me showing the video, send this on the video. I got this little, it's a chopping board essentially, but it hooks like to the corner of your counter. So there's a particular side of the counter in our house where like it seems like that's where we make the most of a mess, and we try to, you know, keep the mess contained. So I'm gonna put this in that particular area. For us, it's the area not too far from the trash can. We tend to bring things out of the fridge and set it there. So I'm gonna put this in that area and see if it helps keep our countertops clean. I'll keep you updated on that. But I thought it was really cool that it's notched, so it actually like hooks onto your table. And if you want, you can like scooch it along your countertops. But I'm looking forward to using that one. And then lastly, we really like lightweight dishes. So I was really excited to see these. Each of them is just super light. So here, if I can get it out. Here's one. And they're all different sizes. So I got 6 in this size, and you could probably do like some soup or a salad in this particular one. And then I got these much deeper ones, which you could probably use as like a comfortable cereal bowl or salad, because sometimes, like, if you like to do the mixed green or the spinach salads, those leaves like don't compress very well. So I actually really like this bowl for a salad. So I got 6 of those as well. And then, so you can kind of see the size comparison. You can also use these as like serving bowls if you wanted to like put out multiple things at once too for an event. And then lastly, I got these. These are just flat plates. And what we really like about them is just how light everything is. I want to say each of them range from about 79 cents to $1. And I just got 6 of everything. But yeah, that is everything that I got. I'm really looking forward to using it and letting you guys know how well they hold up and how it goes. If you haven't seen our empty house tours, DIYs, other decor, and shop with me videos, please don't forget to go back and look for those. We are a husband and wife team working together to turn our house into a home. We are very knowledgeable in custom home construction, new home construction overall, and we just want to share with you everything that we know. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time. Joy fam.